All animals living on Earth are beautiful. The diversity on our planet is practically endless, with different sizes, shapes, characteristics, and colors. Thanks to these beautiful animals living in all environments, the world is a more pleasant, mysterious, and interesting place. Wanted to discover the 10 most beautiful animals in the world, and we've found our list. This doesn't mean there aren't other beautiful animals out there. We just think the following creatures stand out from the crowd. They are exotic, majestic, and regal, with an extraordinary kind of beauty. Beauty is a broad and subjective term. If there is an animal that you think is one of the most beautiful but doesn't feature on this list, leave us a comment and we'll take it into account for future videos. Welcome to Animal Universe. I am your host Bob as we count down the top 10 most beautiful animals in the world. Don't forget to hit subscribe and click the bell to be notified of new content. Number 10 is the macaw. Macaws are exotic birds inhabiting the rainforests of South America. They belong to a family of birds called Psittacidae. Their beauty is due to the combination of bright colors in their plumage: bright yellow, crimson red, green grass, blue king, and orange are the main colors. Many people have macaws as pets, and perhaps that's why Era ararana are a species that must be taken care of in natural environments. Macaws are medium-sized birds but have large wings that attract lots of attention when they are spread. They are very social birds that love to walk in groups, but they are the most beautiful in the air. It is fascinating to see a group of macaws flying. It looks like a drawing of a rainbow in the sky, partly why they are one of the 10 most beautiful animals in the world. Ninth position goes to white Bengal tiger. The Bengal tiger is one of the most majestic creatures in the world, recognized as a symbol of grandeur and strength. Regal in appearance, anyone in the presence of this creature will be left open-mouthed. It's not surprising that the tiger was the animal chosen to be the main character in many Greek, Persian, and Chinese mythologies. The mystery and mystique in their look mesmerizes anybody looking at them. Due to their genetic mutations, some Bengal tigers are born white. Since rarity often makes an animal even more beautiful, so it is with the white Bengal tiger, which makes the list. Eighth on the log is the swan. Swans are birds of the family Anatidae, within the genus Cygnus. The swan's closest relatives include the geese and ducks. Swans are grouped with the closely related geese in the subfamily Anserininae, where they form the tribe Cygnini. Sometimes they are considered a distant subfamily, Cygninae. The tale about the ugly duckling that became a beautiful swan is metaphorical. It is based on the fact that swan chicks, known as cygnets, are born with darker down feathers than their bright white adult counterparts. However, we think even swan chicks are beautiful. As they grow and develop, swans become a totem of beauty and grace. Elegance and beauty are connotations that come to mind to most people when we observe a swan. They strike us with their beauty, and they are clearly worthy of being among the most beautiful animals in the world. Albino peacock occupies the 7th position. When looking for photos for this video of the top 10 most beautiful animals in the world, it took several minutes to choose the right one to represent the albino peacock. The peacock is the name for a male peafowl, an animal with one of the most stark examples of sexual dimorphism we have seen. The peacock's white plumage is white as snow and looks like a painting, making it very unique. This bird is also a real supermodel, always posing, strutting their stuff, and showing their beauty to all who pass before them. They are not only one of the prettiest animals, but their unique approach to mating rituals makes them one of the most fascinating. As with the white tiger, the albino's peacock appearance is thanks to genetics. Dolphins take the 6th position. A dolphin's beauty goes beyond its bright physical presence. Humans have always been fans of dolphins and have enjoyed their presence for years. Dolphins symbolize joy, freedom, and spontaneity in such a controlled world. When you see a dolphin, or even better, a group of dolphins swimming and surfing the waves, your mood improves instantly. Dolphins look like they are always smiling. They are mood-boosting creatures, and it is all down to their delightful appearance. Dolphins have a reputation for being friendly, but they are actually wild animals who should be treated with caution and respect. Interactions with people change dolphin behavior for the worse. They lose their natural wariness, which makes them easy targets for vandalism and shark attacks. 5th belongs to mandarin fish. Among the many beautiful fish which live in the ocean, the mandarin fish stands out for its particularly colorful majesty. Its electric appearance makes it seem to contain an internal light that makes it glow. This fish is one of the most searched for creatures by underwater photographers. Despite creating its own light, the mandarin fish is very shy and prefers to appear at night when they go out to mate. Colloquially, they are called mandarin because they resemble legendary Chinese dragons. When you see them swimming, they are surely one of the most elegant animals in the world. Not so popular, but fourth position goes to chameleons. Chameleons are perhaps the world's most beautiful reptile. Imagine being able to change color depending on your surroundings. They change color to make themselves indistinguishable or to show off to potential mates. Chameleons can change color because they have pigment cells in their skin called chromatophores that allow them to blend in with the environment, changing tone every time they want to hide from a predator or dress up for courtship rituals. Third on our list is Frisian horses. Frisian horses are elegant and magnificent animals. Entirely one color, these impressive animals transport you to mythical and indomitable territories. Originating from the Netherlands, the Frisian is one of the oldest domestic horse breeds in the world. Their ancestors was the tarpan horse, which was wiped out in the 20th century by excessive human hunting. It is known as the wildest horse in history. Frisian horses are very versatile and can be used in riding for pleasure and in competition, for dressage, driving for pleasure, and in competition, and even for light farm work. Unlike some other European warm bloods, Frisians have not been bred as jumpers, although some owners enjoy jumping their horses. Second position goes to Siberian Husky. While some of the rarest animals in the world have made our list, more common animals may be no less beautiful. The Siberian Husky takes the award for canine beauty. They are elegant white and gray furred animals with piercing blue eyes, so they never fail to catch our attention. Their image evokes protection, strength, and magnetism. Affectionate and good-natured describes the Siberian Husky. Generally, they do well with children, although young children should never be left alone with any breed. They also get along with people and do well in homes with multiple dogs. Siberian Huskies were bred to need very little food to survive. Amazingly, first on our list is glass-winged butterfly. The glass-winged butterfly, or scientifically known as Greta Otto, is one of the strangest and peculiar butterflies in the world. There is much competition for the most beautiful butterfly, or moth. They have some of the most beautiful designs on their wings anywhere in the animal kingdom. The glass-winged butterfly makes the list thanks to the texture of their wings. It is completely transparent, except for a brown edge with a white stripe. This makes them appear to change color depending on which setting they are in. They almost camouflage against their surroundings. This exceptional ability makes them blend in with the vegetation and distracts predators. Find out more fascinating facts about butterflies in our Animal-Wise article. As you can see, these animals on our list of majestic creatures are beautiful in their own way. However, you are probably thinking your favorite beautiful animal is missing. If this is the case, leave your suggestions in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, you may be interested in any other video and would do well to subscribe to our channel.